Alright guys, welcome back. So today we're on the Suzuki again. I'll just turn you around and explain what we're going to be doing. But obviously you've seen the last video, we sorted out all them plastics, so basically just going to be putting all that back on. Don't worry, this isn't the new bumper. I have bought a new bumper. Well, I say new bumper, I've bought this piece. So hopefully I can salvage all the rest of it, all the plastics. I do need a daytime running light. On that side, these ones are fine, fog light, daytime they're fine, but this side I think the fog light's alright, but daytime's knackered. But I'm hoping I can save this plastic. And this plastic is a bit snapped there, but it might be alright. Might be able to do something with that. But yeah. Basically they're all over there. If Grant brings them over here, we can start putting the arch liner back in. I do have the ABS sensor, but I forgot it, so it's at my house, so I'll have to fit that another time, but get the arch liner back on. Probably start with putting this bit of plastic on, I think. That bit there. Start putting this little cover on here, and I can get this sensor in, because I'm pretty sure this connects to, yeah, I think it goes in there. So we'll get this put in. Is it that way? Yeah. Yeah, we'll get that put in and then go back in. Alright, Grant's just removing this lower support bit that we put on last time, because you need to put that on first or something, so just getting that removed, just nearly off. Then we can fit this one inside and put it back on. Alright, we've got the little air duct on, just these little clips here, you just push them in. So we've done that all down the bottom as well. Then we can slide this one in somehow, because they've got like, this part's got tuck over the metal. So let's see how we do this. I guess you put that in first. Yeah. Where's it getting stuck on? There. Then come back a bit and push it over. Let's try and push this in 1 minute. Alright, that's all solid now. Got it all sorted. So try and put this arch liner in now. Alright, we've started putting the arch liner in. It's come out pretty well actually, since of the shape it was in. I've done a good job of it, but these clips here, I don't have enough of them. So I've took one out. I'm going to go home and see if I've got some more of these lying about. Because I've only got a couple to put in here, but I need more to put in all along here. So I'm going to go back, try and find some more of these clips to hopefully clip it all back in and get this little bottom bit clipped in as well. Obviously still waiting for the front bumper, which should be here this week at some point. We can build that back up. Probably, I still haven't got a bonnet either, because I can't find one. But yeah, we'll go get some of these clips sorted. And go get the ABS sensor that I forgot. We'll go grab that as well. Alright, we got the ABS cable back, but unfortunately bolt snapped in the knuckle there. And the one I've bought is obviously the wrong one, so I'm going to have to send that one back. Where is it at? It's down there somewhere. That's obviously the old one, that's the new one, but it's the wrong one, so I'll send back and get the right one. And figure out how to undrill this here and retap it. Tap the new one in. But we've got a box of plastic fittings here, so we'll try and get this arch liner fitted up and that bit of plastic trim underneath as well. So, let's see which ones we got here. I think these ones here look pretty similar. I like them ones. Kind of like them, I guess. Or even them, maybe. Yeah, we'll get some of these in and see what it looks like. Come back in a minute when this is actually held up properly and stuff. Alright, we've got the arch liner all in. Got some clips in it. Got this little piece in here as well, all the clips along there. Looks a lot better now. Obviously got that front piece in. Just literally need to wait on the new bumper. And then we can mess about with the bumper and put all them bits onto the new one and stuff. Obviously I need to buy a daytime running light. Fog light's fine, so I need to actually order one of them. Try to do that tonight. Alright, I've drilled a little hole in that. Nice and centre. Can even use a punch on that one. So we're just using what we got here. I'm going to try and up the size a bit, because we've got this little snap-on bit here. Apparently it's good for getting bits out, so I'm going to test that out. Up the size now and get that a little bit bigger, and then we should be able to put that in it and just untighten it hopefully. Alright, so that bolt back there. We've drilled it out, but it's still not perfect. So when I get the new attachment, I still haven't got that ABS sensor yet because I can't find the correct one. People keep saying there isn't one for the front, it's only the rears or something. So I need to maybe go to the main dealer or something. But we've got the wheel back on for a minute, and when I get that sorted, I'll just be able to screw it in. So I've got the new bumper here, so we're going to take this one off, take the grills out, put them into there, see what I need, see what I don't need, and hopefully we'll have the front end all built back up apart from the bonnet. So let's get this one quickly removed off. All we need to do is take these little... Our Grant's already removed the screws, so I'm pretty sure. Just lift it off. Oh, I just remembered. I think I need a yeah, need a daytime running light on there. So I need to buy that then. But yeah, let's get this unpacked, see what the damage is on that, because there's always something. The front end is looking good though. Just dismantling the old bumper. Some of the bits here, some bits are broken. Just seeing what we can keep, what we can't. Pieces over there. Go fit to the new one. New one's a bit scratched up actually, I don't quickly show you. Did not look like this on the listing obviously. Classic. But it's scratched everywhere. The whole thing. So I'm going to try polish it, see what that comes out like, maybe give it a sand and a polish. Hopefully get rid of some of the marks all over it. Right, I've just put this rubber seal on. For some reason they removed that as well. I don't know why companies remove everything off the front bumpers, it makes no sense. But yeah, all these little scratches are definitely from storage marks. It wasn't on the listing, all these, so it's just annoying, but that's what it is. I have to try and polish it, hopefully it comes out. If not, I don't know, get it painted or something. But we're going to fit all these bits of trims to it now and see what we need to buy. I know I need a daytime running light. But yeah, this is also cracked here, which is a shame. But I'm going to fit it anyway for a meantime until I get one. So yeah, let's get it all fitted back in. Give you a little before and after quickly. Right, I've screwed it all in at the back. Daytime running light, fog light, little plastic part, upper plastic panel. That one Grant's just fixing because the fog light, one of the tabs is broken. So he's just going to go fix that. Maybe put that one on. Daytime running light though, I still need to buy. Thankfully I've got the old part number here. I've just had a little Google and apparently like 200 quid, so that's interesting. Oh, he's back now, he might have already fixed it. Yeah, that's what it's looking like from the front. The only little bit to that there, this tiny bit of plastic here, so it's not bad. Obviously they've stated this bumper that I did not buy it, no, it was in this condition. But you know what eBay's like, so yeah, it looks good though, apart from all the scratches obviously. Just need to get that daytime running light now. Put that fog light in a second, and then we can put it up on the car. Alright, so we were just fitting this front bumper up. That other side was spot on, but this was a bit of a mess. But that seemed the headlight wasn't in the right place, so we've moved it now. And now it seems to be, we should be able to clip that right in now. I'll just try and get my little helper to help me and then see what happens. What are you laughing at? Right, we've got it looking like this for the minute. I still haven't got a bumper bonnet yet. I found one and it's like 400 quid, so I'm probably just gonna have to buy that. But that's brutal. I'll have to try and get rid of all these scratches that's annoying me, but it is what it is. Just need to put some screws in it now. Yeah, it's looking good. Some screws, daytime running light, and a polish, new front bumper, bonnet. And then under here the arch line is like all cracked and broken, so I can't attach it properly. Probably be fine, but wouldn't happen to buy one of them as well. Put the toe and eye cap on the old bumper. Alright, there we go guys, that's finally sorted. Obviously, like I said, I need to polish it still. Get that daytime running light. Shut this bonnet up. All the screws are in. Look at that, spot on fitment. Just need to get the ABS sensor. New wheel probably, because that one's a bit... I mean, I don't know if you can save these. I don't know how It seems someone can weld alley, but it just looks too far gone to be able to be saved. So I need a new wheel. Tyres alright though. Probably a new glow control arm, because I don't think that's sat straight still. Look at that. It's like this. I know obviously it's not going to be straight because the tyre rod and that we changed all that, so, but it still doesn't look right, so I reckon it's control arm. And inside I've also got to remove these stickers, so I'm going to quickly remove them, get all this writing off as well, and then we'll have a nice clean windscreen. So gives a minute. Alright, that's all them removed. I left that one in the top left corner just because it was like a accident sticker or something, so I thought I'd leave that one. The rest is all done. Front's cleaned. Did the rear as well. Took that one sticker out. Just need to move the car back forward now. There's some sticks on here that I've removed. You can see a bit of a trace. I need to polish that out. And then polish the front bumper, obviously. Alright, I've just moved the car back forward, so it's in the right position now. Probably going to go sort out the Fiat now. You would have watched that video last week. It failed the MOT, so I'll probably make another video on that because it needs a new rear subframe. Drop link as well on the rear bulb or something like that, which I thought I checked, but I don't know. It's not done. So yeah, probably going to go sort out that rear subframe now. Actually, what time is it? Or maybe not today, actually. It's like 5 o'clock now, but probably tomorrow then if it's not raining. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Obviously we just need to wait for that bumper now. Bonnet, sorry, I keep saying bumper. Wait for the bonnet. There was a couple of things I needed to buy a couple of things. Right, I've written a list. There's so many things to remember about. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight.